Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply hide and or show the bullet tracers in Valorant. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is this. Press escape and then you will be in settings, or just go in the settings in menu, it doesn't matter. Then just click here to general, and what you want to do is just scroll down below, and you're gonna see show bullet tracers, and you want to disable it or enable it. That's really up to you. So yeah, again, right click, show bullet tracers off or on, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.